Hi guys, so just a quick one today. This is how to put your press-ons on. So first you want to be pushing back those cuticles, but be careful not to go too far. Then you want to be buffing away the natural shine from your nails. This is so the glue has a better surface to stick to. Then I use this lovely dehydrator from Macar. It smells like watermelon. It's so nice. This takes all the natural oils off the nails so that the nails are more likely to stick for longer. You can use alcohol wipes, anything like that, but this is what I use. Then you want your nail glue. This is the one I use. I think it's NYK1. Really good. So you want to take the glue and put it on your natural nail, and you want to put it on the press-on nail as well. And then you want to apply it down at sort of an angle, and this helps to push out any air bubbles. And then hold for like 30 seconds. That's what I do anyway. Then you want to avoid water for at least 2 hours. And this is how my nails last me for about 3 to 4 weeks. I wore these in the Blue Lagoon, in a hot tub, and I think I had them on for about 26 days in total. So there we go.